In this video we're going to look at how to interpret distance-time graphs. How do you know it's a distance-time graph? Well, you will notice that on the y-axis we have the word distance from home, and along the x-axis we have time. So we're going to look at this little man moving away from home. So for every unit of time, let's say a minute, he moves the same distance away from the home. So he slowly moves away. One block of time, one block of distance, one block of time, one block of distance. So he is moving at a constant speed away from home. And you can see it's a straight line at an angle with the gradient being the same all the way along. That indicates constant speed. Let's have a look at another story. In this graph, we have something different happening. For a start, this person is moving quicker. So in one block of time, he's moving a little bit faster away from home. And then he stands still for 2 blocks of time. He doesn't get any further away from home. And then he moves quickly away from home and covers 2 blocks of distance in 1 block of time. So he is moving at a constant fast speed away from home. That's what's happening in this section here, a constant fast speed away from home. And then he stands still. And that's what's happening in this flat section here. So on a distance time graph, a flat section means it's standing still. And then he continues his journey at a constant speed, which is fast, the same speed as at the beginning, and he's moving away from home. So here's our little man. We have constant speed, he went sideways. He has a constant speed away from home, stands still for 2 blocks of time, and then a constant speed away from home. Both of these speeds are the same as each other, but they're faster than graph A. Let's have a look at this next graph. Graph C, something different is happening again. We have our constant fast speed away from home, and he actually travels all the way away from home over 2 blocks of time. So quite fast, moving away from home. And then, without pausing, he immediately travels fast back home, taking the same amount of time to get home as he took to get away. So 2 blocks of time to get away from home and 2 blocks of time to get back to home. So he's moving at a constant fast speed away from home, and then a constant fast speed back towards home, and he does not stand still at any point. Our final graph is this one. In this one we have the little man moving really quickly away from home. He gets all the way away from home in 1 block of time. He then stands still for a block of time, and then he makes his way back to home, but at a slightly slower speed. And you can tell this by comparing the 2 gradients. So he moves away from home at a very fast speed. It only takes him 1 block of time to move 4 blocks a distance away from home. He stands still for a block of time, and then he comes back home, but the gradient is less steep. So he's taking 2 blocks of time to get back home. So what he is doing is working away from home at a very fast speed, away from home. He stands still for 1 block of time, and then he moves back towards home. It's at a fast speed, but it's not as fast as him walking away from home at the beginning.